Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your LinkedIn account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we first need to do is head on over to linkedin.com, and from here, make sure to sign into your account that you'd like to permanently delete. So once you've signed in, we want to go ahead and click onto our user profile icon and then click onto settings and privacy under the account tab. Now inside of settings, we're going to make sure we're clicked onto account preferences tab, and now scroll all the way to the bottom of the page until you see account management. Under account management, we've got an option here to close account, which is deleting your LinkedIn account. So from here, it will say close account. Do you want to confirm yes or no? But I can't do it at this point in time because I'm an admin of one or more developer applications, so I need to go ahead and remove myself as an admin or administrator status from all developer applications, and then return to this settings to close your account. So if you can't close it, just go ahead and make sure to complete anything inside of this before you delete your account.